Hi, thank you so much and welcome back to Insurance 101 by Trusted Capital. Today I actually wanted to go over two things, remodeling project and then also home safety features. Now I wanted to go over the remodeling projects due to the fact that I had a client who actually went ahead and put a pool in his backyard. So in the process of while constructing this pool, he never told his insurance company. He just automatically thought that it would be covered. But you have to understand, the pool is actually covered underneath something on the policy called other structures. So if you don't have enough coverage on that other structures to replace that pool like, kind, and quality, then that pool is not covered. That goes the same for when you're also adding square footage to the house. Now here it is, you tell us that the house is, I'm just going to throw out a number, let's say 1,500 square feet. And so now the house was 1,500 square feet as far as living area. But then you decided now to add on a dormer, which now added an additional, I'm going to say 5,000 square feet. So now you're actually underinsured. A loss occurs on that dormer. Now you basically are now underinsured, and now you're scrambling trying to find out where the rest of the money is coming from. So you never want to automatically think that your remodeling projects are covered, because that's because you have to update your homeowner's insurance policy to actually reflect your additions and determine whether you'll need additional financial protection during the course of the project. Now, I actually have some clients who in the middle of the project have had a loss. Now, here it is, you're not even living in the home while the loss occurred. Now, because certain insurance policies will say you are allowed to do work on your home. However, while the work is going on, you have to be living there. So now, since you're not living there, that policy is now null and void, and now there is no coverage. And what you had needed in the first place was something called a builder's risk policy, or a home that's underneath the course of construction. So when adding any type of pools or any type of square footage, or even doing anything except for, I want to say, maybe your basic maintenance to your home, your wear and tear, things of that nature, you want to give your insurance company a call. I had a guy who added solar panels to his home. It made it more energy efficient, which is beautiful. Now, in the event that there is a loss, I now have that the solar panels are part of the structure. They're permanently attached to the structure. So now he would actually be covered for those solar panels. I also wanted to talk to you about was they're adding on security alarms, so home safety features. So anytime that you actually have a central station fire and burglar alarm, that would actually give you a discount on your insurance policy. And only thing you have to do is call your monitoring company, ask them to send your agent or your insurance company a copy of the monitoring certificate. So I do have some insureds that the companies, because of course these insureds live in homes that are well over $1 million, but now some insurance company will require that you install low temperature sensors in the home. Some insurance companies will require that you install certain things in the event that, let's say it's your secondary location, and now here it is, a pipe burst in your home and it's your secondary location. We haven't noted that it's your secondary location, but a pipe burst in your home. So we need something that's going to basically trigger and censor someone or something in order to basically stop that water flow. So these are the things that you definitely want to look out for when it comes to your insurance, and especially when adding on any type of square footage, adding on pools, adding on any type of additions to the home except for regular maintenance. Make sure that you call your insurance carrier, speak to your local agent, because you do not want a surprise where you would actually call someone like me and you have this conversation what I had to have with my insured, and then they're telling me how distraught they were, and I told them, don't be distraught because it's not covered, unfortunately. But what we can now do is increase your square footage, the value of the home, and what we're insuring the home for in the event now that this loss happens again. So I want to say thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Again, if you find this information helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and even share this content. Thanks so much. And if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them. Just leave me a comment in the box. Just leave me a comment, and I'll go ahead and answer that. I'll even leave my Instagram information there. Again, gentlemen, please, please, please do not do it to yourselves, because I will hurt your feelings. I am not that. I'm a nice person, but I can be ruthless. I can be a savage. So do not come into my inbox asking me to see my inbox. But everybody else, I want you to have a wonderful, wonderful evening, and enjoy your evening and enjoy your day tomorrow. And thank you once again to everyone who has subscribed to my channel thus far. You guys have gotten me past some of my minor goals, and now I'm actually setting major goals for myself. So please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks so much, and thank you for watching Insurance 101 by Trusted Capital. Have a great evening.